On your test, if you got something like this, I will say use the outputs of -1, 0, 1, and 2. So you got your input, your output, and then it'll say -1, 0, 1, and 2. Get your output, or your ordered pair, which is -1, 0, 1, and 2. Your output like that. Okay, we need to find the input. So the input, in order to find the input, the output is, you got absolutely y equals to x plus 1. So your absolute value of -1 equals to x plus 1. So it's 1 equals to x plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Your x is 0. So your input is 0. Next one, your output is 0. Absolute value is 0, x plus 1. 0 equals to x plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. X equals to -1. So your output is -1. Next number is your output is 1 equals to x plus 1. Absolute value of 1 is 1 equals to x plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. X equals to 0. Output is 0. We know it's not a function, because notice the output are the same. The input. Once the input are the same, or the domain is the same, it's no longer a function. The output is 2, x plus 1, 2 equals to x plus 1 minus 1 minus 1, x equals to 1. Your input is 1. Then graph that. Graph your ordered pair. 0, -1, -1, 0, 0, 1, and 1, 2. Notice it's not a function because vertical line goes through 2 points. Those are the points with the same domain. Okay? You connect the dots like that. And if we put 1, you'll see that domain there is also the same. Explain if the above equation is a function or not. Use the word domain and vertical line test. The above equation, absolute value of y equals to x plus 1, is not a function, is not a function, because the domain occur, the domain of 2 domain of 1, oh, 0, of 0, domain of 0, the 0 that I highlight, occurs twice. And the vertical line test pass through 2 points. At 0, -1, and 0, 1. Period. You are a hairstylist and earn $60 per day and $15 per haircut. So $60 per day and $15 per haircut. Total amount earned. For each day you make $60 plus each haircut. Okay? So T equals to total earn each day, and C is each haircut. Number of haircut each day. Okay? Graph the algebraic equation by first creating a function table. Okay, function table for 60 plus $15 per haircut. We get our total earning. So this is total earning for each day. And this is that's the dependent variable. The independent is the number of haircut. Okay, you choose your own. Let's say they did 2 haircuts that day. So if they did 2 haircuts, 60 plus 15 times 2 equals to 90. Use your calculator. It says 290. Say they did 4 haircuts, 60 plus 15 times 2 equals times 4. That's 60. 60 plus 60, which is 120. You don't have to do this part. Your calculator will give you 120. 2 and 120. Say 3 haircuts. 5 haircuts. 60 plus 15 times the 5 haircuts you gave equal to, that's 75 plus 60 is 135. 5, oh no, that's not 2, this is 4 haircuts. You get $120. 5 haircuts, you get $135. Okay, and so forth. So here, you need to know how to do this for tomorrow, for Friday's quiz. You need to know that this is C for the haircut, T for total earning. This is the number of haircut. And this is the total earning in dollars. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can make it where I skip 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. And we count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40. Yeah, it goes by 10. 135 is my highest. So I go by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 140, right there. Oh my goodness. Okay. 290, 4, 120. 5, 135. 5, 135. Somewhere here. There we go. Oh, what happened to it? Connect the dots. How you do that? 0, 60 if there no haircuts. $60. What is the independent? The independent variable is the number of haircuts. And the dependent variable is the total earn is the total earning per day. Okay? I think that's it. Yep. Sorry it took so long, but